In this video, we'll walk through installing Profit.co as a Chrome extension for even easier access to your Profit.co account, directly from your Chrome taskbar. Install this Chrome extension for hassle-free logins. A quick note, before adding extensions, make sure to turn on the Google Sync button from Settings in order to sync your Profit.co account to Chrome. First, navigate to the Chrome web store and search for Profit.co. Select Profit.co OKR software from the search results. Here, click the Add to Chrome button. You'll be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you would like to add Profit.co. Click Add Extension. You should receive a pop-up message that Profit.co has been successfully added to Chrome. Now you can directly navigate to your Profit.co account by simply clicking on the Profit.co icon in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. Alternatively, you can click the extension icon and navigate to the Profit.co icon in the drop-down menu. Once you select the icon, you'll be asked to choose the Gmail account with which you have created the Profit.co account. Select your Google ID and log in. This is the only time you'll be asked to log in using your credentials when you select the Google Chrome extension. From now on, the extension will lead you directly to your All My OKRs page in Profit.co.